How to fix Steam not downloading games error. Here are some tips that would help you fix Steam not downloading games error. 1. Launch the Go Offline option, then restart your Steam client. 2. Launch the Clear Download Cache option in Steam settings. 3. Try a different download location from the download region. 4. Enable run this program in compatibility mode for your game. Like this. 5. Launch Verify Integrity of Game Files option for your game. 6. Launch the Repair Library folder option under the Downloads section. 7. Try renaming your library folder. 8. Locate, backup and delete the package folder from Steam folder.